Hey, hey, hey! Welcome, my friends, to the Hiccup, the curated specialty shop up here on Boston's North Shore, Seaside in Swampscott. And we have these really cool new arrivals from New England Apothecary, where she has some shower steamer sets here in a variety of scents and aromas here. We also have the crisp grapefruit wild rose and warm sugar bath bombs. Bath bombs come in a set of 4. They're $25 each. We have the New England here Apothecary again. They're shower steamers. These are $25 each. Here's some samples so you can take a little smell, although even if you hold them up close to your nose, you'll be able to have a nice scent. We also have the larger bath bombs. These are really cool and heavy, my goodness, that you can put into your bath. And then we have these really cool arnica soap bars, which just smell fantastic. And down here is the hand creams. We've got cashmere, lavender scent, ginger and fig, fragrance free. So come on in and take your pick here. They're $20 each. And then what we are also getting ready to do down here at the Hiccup is for Valentine's Day and even self-love for Valentine's Day, which is important, where we can put together these easy gift boxes you can tell your significant other or pick up for yourself. We'll have them online soon. Here's another sample of long stem rose with the hand cream and chocolate and matches. We'll have candles added in. Here's another creator and maker that we have, very popular, Serenity Sage. She's an herbalist, has these fantastic skin cleansing herbal facial steam. The really cool slumber here, her namaste, the wake up aromatherapy, fantastic. Also in Salem up here we have the all new French press to the Hiccup here, which has been here about a month. We have these amazing diffusers, Spa Day, sandalwood and patchouli, the candles into the wood. And in the background there, you can see these fantastic matches by Lucy Lou. Very popular, one of our highest selling items. This is the all wooden one, comes with a slide drawer. You know, it's the coffee table book now. I've had individuals, a lot of men actually, who like to buy these matches, don't smoke, don't use candles, and are putting them in their home office. How cool is that? Something else we have up here is Rosedella out of Salem. She makes these fantastic simple syrups. Great to sprinkle on your morning yogurt if you're someone who eats dairy, or even rice at night, or drinks and cocktails, sparkling water, or certainly you could mix it with a different beverage. So that's a few of our local creators and makers. Of course, we have the really cool recycled lobster hand warmers in